So the intraday data is ready now for backtest. Now we can write the backtest code on this intraday data. Okay, it looks pretty good to me. And if you see, it is starting from 9:20 and till 3:10. So this is future close, call, close, put, close, call, PNL, and put PNL. So before that, let me clear this out all and run it again from the beginning, and I can tell you what we have done so far. All right. So if you go to top, so here first we have imported all the libraries, then we have fetch all the data. Let me run this also. Okay, and yeah. So see what we have done so far. Before we jump into the backtesting, let me explain this. So first we import all the libraries, second we fetch all the data, then we created a thread log with data frame. Okay, I mean converted into the data frame, and then we try to get all the inputs, right? I mean the all the inputs here: entry date, future price, ATM date to expiry, call symbol, call entry price, put symbol, put entry price. So the exit date time, exit price, call PNL, put PNL, these are the outputs that we will get after we run the backtest code. Okay, so these are the things that we got, and yeah, so these are the things. Now we created the test data where we want to run our backtest code on this test data, and the data frame name is intraday data, which starts from 9:20 to 3:10 because our entry time is 9:20 and exit time is 3:10. Okay, right. So now we can do backtest. Okay, so backtest. So before backtest, what we need is stop loss. Okay, stop loss. So stop loss is we are giving a stop loss of 20% each leg. So we have to know what is the call stop loss and put stop loss. So stop loss, okay, stop loss is equal to stop loss is equal to 20%. Okay, so the call stop loss equal to call entry price plus call entry price into stop loss. Okay, so what you can say like this, it looks little better. So this is the call stop loss. Okay, so what is the call stop loss? If you check call stop loss, call stop loss is 120 because my call entry price is 100, so call stop loss will be 120, right? If you want to check, you can check call entry price is 100. Okay, now same way you can also calculate the put stop loss. So put stop loss. Okay, so the put stop loss is your put entry price, okay, plus your put entry price into the stop loss. Okay, stop loss. So in that we will get the put stop loss. So the put stop loss is equal to 270. Why? Because the put entry price is 225. Okay, so you got the call stop loss and put stop loss. Okay, so I'm removing this. So I'm just merge all. Now you can see here. All right. So we got the call stop loss, put stop loss. Now we do the back test. Okay, so back test. So for back test, what are the things actually that we need? We need, now we can write all the variables. So we need first call stop loss counter. Okay, call stop loss counter is 0 and put stop loss counter is 0. Then you can say call exit call exit price. Okay, or you can say call exit date time, whatever. Call exit date time, call exit date time, call entry date time. If you go to the call entry date time, yeah, so call exit date time is it will be a string, so 0, same as put entry date time, put entry date time is equal to 0. Then say call exit, oh sorry, what entry date time, this should be exit. Okay, exit. Put call exit price. Okay, call exit price is 0. Then put exit price is 0. Then you can say call PNL is 0. Then put PNL is 0. Then you can say the total PNL is also 0. The total PNL is call PNL and put PNL. So what are the things we have done now? So we have so we have back test for, we have call stop loss counter 0, put stop loss counter 0, call exit date time, put exit date time, call entry price, put entry price, call PNL and put PNL and total PNL. Okay, so these are the things that we need to put in the code. Okay, so we have to run the backtest on this data frame, right? So let's run the for loop. Okay, what are we to write? Now for index, okay, for index row in intraday intraday data, okay, dot it rows intraday data dot it rows for index row in intraday it rows. Now we want to run in each row, okay, from 920 to 310 and check all the criteria. That's what we are doing. So for index row in intraday row, so first we need to do the print. What we are printing, let me check whether it is taking all the data from 920 to 310 or not. That's why I'm just printing printing, okay. So what I'm printing the first I need row, I need a row, I need row date time, okay, I need row date time, okay, and I need call price, okay, I need call, I need what, I need call close, put close. Okay, so before that also I can write something like this. I can say my call LTP is equal to what, row, call LTP is equal to a row call close, alright, call close, and similarly put LTP is equal to row, okay, put close, okay. So now print row date time, then I need call LTP, okay, and also I need put LTP, put LTP as well. Alright, so what I did here, I'm just running a row here, okay, I'm just running a row here, I mean I'm running the for loop here for each row, and then I'm trying to just print and see whether it is taking or not, okay. If you run this app string expectation, what is that? App string expecting, I just missed this one, okay, yeah. So if you see here 1/1/2019, right, 920, this is my row, date time. So call LTP is 100, put LTP is 225. On 921, this is my call LTP, this is my put LTP. On 922, this is 101 is my call LTP, and this is my put LTP. Okay, this is what it's keep printing. Okay, that's what I'm just checking whether it's taking or not. If you see, it is clearly taking till your 310. See, all the day, throughout the day, it is keep printing till 310, which is, and on 310, this is my call LTP 190, and this is my put LTP. Okay, all right, now this is working. So you just comment this out. We don't need that. We're just checking that. Okay, now what we need is exit criteria. Okay, exit criteria. So what are the exit criteria? Okay, so number one is what? Number one is call and put. Okay, call put did not call put did not, okay, call put did not hit SL, okay, and both reach time limit. See, when we have call and put both, right? So what are the exit criteria that we can tell? So first is both call and put did not hit the SL and both exit at 3:10, which is my exit time. Second one is if call is hit, put exit at 3:15, and third one is, when put hit, call exit 3:15. Okay, so that's what I'm trying to write. What are the situation or the exit criteria where we will done for the particular day? Okay, so first one is call and put did not hit SL, both reach time limit, or you can say reach both reach exit time limit. Okay, exit time limit. Okay. So both reach exit time limit, okay, which is 15:10. Okay, this is my first criteria. Both did not hit SL. Okay, it reaches the time limit. What is number two? Number two is, okay, you can say call hit SL, the call is now hit SL, okay, nowhere hit SL till now. Okay, it means till now none were hit SL, call just hit SL now. Okay, that's the whole thing. Similarly we can write, okay, similarly we can write that put is now hit SL, none were hit SL till now. What is my fourth? My fourth is, you can say call was hit SL. First is call is now hit SL, none were hit till now. Now call was hit SL. After that what happened? So for put, either put will hit SL or it will exit at 3:10. Okay, call was hit SL, so put is either hit SL or exit reach exit time limit 3:10. Call was hit SL, put is either hit SL, call was hit SL, so put is either hit SL or reach exit time limit 3:10. Okay, or, okay, this is the same goes to put as well. So you can say, so put was hit SL, now call is either hit SL or reach time limit. So these are the condition and the last one is update PNL, update PNL in normal time, update PNL in normal time. Okay, all right, cool. So now let's write the coding side. Okay, all right, see, first one is, let's write quickly. So first one is call and put did not hit SL, both reach exit time limit 310. So what is there? Call stop loss counter, put stop loss counter. If put this way, if call stop loss counter equal to 0 and put stop loss counter, okay, stop loss counter equal to 0 and row date time, okay, the row date time, okay, it reaches the time limit equal to exit date time. Okay, so call stop loss counter equal to 0, put stop loss counter equal to 0, row date time equal to exit date time. Okay, this is my first criteria. Then what will happen? What will be the output? This will be my output. Let's copy and paste it here and try to find out what will be my solution to it. Okay, let's see. So first is my call PNL and put PNL. Let me take it these two to the top. Call PNL, put PNL. Okay, so my call PNL is my call LTP minus call what? Call LTP. So call LTP is my entry price. Okay, call entry price. Okay, sorry, my bad. So my call PNL is equal to, because we are selling it, right? So of course my call entry price, because whatever the entry price at 920, that's my call entry price, minus whatever the price I exit at 310, which is my call LTP, right? That's my PNL. Because I don't know why it is coming like that. See, call LTP. Okay. So basically call PNL is I'm selling at call entry price at 920 and buying at 310, which is my call LTP. So my call PNL is my call entry price, which is selling at 920, and call LTP, which is buying at 310. So call PNL, call entry price minus call LTP. Okay, that's the thing. Now similarly goes to put. So this is put entry price minus put LTP. Stop loss counter will be 1, because once it is reached 310, we are done for the day. We don't need to run, so we are done. Call exit date time. Call exit date time is row date time. Okay, call exit date time is row date time, this one basically. Okay, call exit date time is row date time, and of course put exit date time is row date time. Call exit price, of course my call LTP. Okay, and LTP, so, and put exit price, of course my put LTP. Okay, so this is, and PNL is of course my call PNL plus put PNL. Okay, that's it. Now we can do one thing. So here we can add so whatever the call PNL put PNL will generate from here, we want it to be added here in my call PNL put PNL of intraday data. Okay, so the intraday data, so how to do that? So here I want, and of course I can print here, so I can print call, so I want to print call and put did not hit SL, both exit at 15:10. Okay, print, and also I want to be updated into the call and put column. So the intraday data, okay, dot loc, okay, intraday data dot loc in index, and we want call PNL. This is call PNL, right? Call PNL. Okay, so this is equal to your call PNL. This one I want, this one need to update there na, call PNL. Okay, now same goes to put PNL. I want put PNL also to be updated here. Okay, now this is done. So once this is done, we can break. That's it. So basically what we are trying to do, my first criteria is if call and put did not hit SL, both reach exit time limit, which is 15:10, means call and put did not hit SL, both exited 15:10. So if call stop loss counter 0, put stop loss counter 0, row date time is equal to exit date time, then my call PNL is call entry price minus call LTP, put PNL is put entry price minus put LTP, call stop loss counter equal to 1 because we are done for the day for call, and put stop loss counter is also 1 because we are done for the day for the put as well, because both reach the time limit. Now call exit date time, row date time, put exit date time, row date time, call exit price, put exit price. Now this looks pretty good to me, so let's run and see if there is any error. Okay, so there is no error in this coding. Okay, what is the next? What is my next criteria? My next criteria is call is now hit SL, none were hit till now. Okay, So elif, okay, call is now hit SL. So call, okay, call LTP, call LTP is greater than or equal to call stop loss. Okay, call LTP is greater than or equal to stop loss, and okay, call stop loss counter equal to 0, and put stop loss counter equal to 0. Okay, this is right. So now if this is the case, call LTP is greater than or equal to call stop loss. Now call stop loss counter equal to 0, and put stop loss counter equal to 0, because just now call is hit the LTP and nothing were or none were hit any SL till now. Just now call hit the SL. So okay, so if this is the case, now what I will do is simply copy all this, okay, and paste it here. So what are the things actually we need, what are the things we don't need, we'll see. See, first of all, we don't need anything for we don't need anything for, yeah. So call PNL is what? Call PNL is my call entry price minus call stop loss. Okay, correct. Call entry price minus call stop loss. That's my PNL for call. Put PNL is same, nothing change. Now put stop loss counter, we cannot make it 1 because nothing happened to put. We are talking about call only, right? Call exit date time, put exit date time is okay, and put exit price we can't say anything. So call exit price, of course not call LTP, it is your call stop loss. Okay, and then your intraday data is of course updating here. The print here is call hit SL. Okay, call hit SL, that's it. Okay, call hit SL or call SL hit, whatever write, whatever you can write. Call SL hit, you can say call SL hit. Okay, call SL hit. So the PNL is okay. We don't want to break because the put is still on. Okay, right. So this is for the second exit criteria. So my second exit criteria is basically I am saying my call is hitting the SL just now, and till now nothing were hit. Okay, so the moment it hit the SL, try to understand what I am saying. My call LTP is greater than or equal to call stop loss. Okay, and my call stop loss counter of course 0, put stop loss counter 0. Okay, so my call PNL is, what will my call PNL? My call PNL will of course, so whatever the entry price I took at 920, and what will my stop loss, that is my call PNL. Okay, so if you remember on the first, the 100 is my, and the put is 100 is the entry price, call stop is 120, so minus 20 is my call PNL. The put PNL is put entry price minus put LTP because nothing happened to the put LTP. Call stop loss counter 1. Okay. Call exit date time, row date time, put exit date time, row date time, call exit price, call LTP, or you can say call stop loss because that is where is the exit price. And yes, and nothing changing here because it's there. So print is call SL hit and this is done. So this is done for your call is now hit SL. So similarly, we can say when put is hit SL, okay, L if so, so this is my put is now hit SL, none were hit SL till now. So this is my put LTP is greater than put stop loss and call stop loss counter 0, put stop loss counter 0. So call PNL, call entry price minus call LTP, okay, and put PNL equal to put entry minus put stop loss, okay. So instead of call stop loss counter 1, it should be put stop loss counter 1. Exit date time is okay. Here call exit price, not call exit price, it is put exit price is your put stop loss, and this too is fine. So print put SL hit, and this is okay. Alright. So third one is also done. Now move to the fourth one. So what is fourth one? Fourth one is call SL was hit. Call was hit SL. The call SL was hit. Put is either hit SL or reach exit time limit. Okay. So what we can say, L if, okay, call was hit SL, so your call stop loss counter will be 1. So your call stop loss counter, okay, equal to 1, and so call stop loss counter 1, and so put stop loss counter is 0 anyway. So here put stop loss counter 0 and okay. So here we can say your row date time, call stop loss counter 1 and row date time, right? Because give me 1 minute, let me see what we did here. Call stop loss hit now. So I need call was hit SL, okay. So if call was hit SL, then so we can say put, okay, we can break it, okay, we can break it into two if here. L if this, again we will put two criteria. So basically we can do this way, okay, call stop loss counter 1, okay, call stop loss counter 1 and put stop loss counter 0. Let's put it this way, and put stop loss counter equal to 1. Then again we can write this way, if, okay, so if call stop loss counter 1, because call already hit the SL, now put stop loss counter 1. So for put we have two option, either it will hit the SL. So if it hit the SL, what will happen? Now put, so we can say put LTP, okay, put LTP greater than or equal to put stop loss, okay, because put hit the SL, and we can say row date time is less than exit date time. We can say row date time less than exit date time, okay. So basically what we are trying to doing here is we are saying call was hit SL, okay. If call was hit SL, then what will happen? Call stop loss counter 1, because we are done for the day for call. We will not consider anything for call now. We are saying for put there are only two options: either it will hit SL or it will exit. So that's why I'm again it split it. So I'm saying, let's say first talk about if put hit SL now. So what will happen? This one, I put PNL, okay. So this will happen, this thing, this will happen. Put PNL is put entry price minus put stop loss, okay. Put PNL is put entry price minus put stop loss, and put stop loss counter 1, because we are done for the day put as well, okay. And call exit date time, row date time, put exit date time, row date time, put exit price is equal to put stop loss. This is fine. So um, this is what put SL hit, okay. So this is your put SL is hit. So basically three things: put PNL, put stop loss counter, and your put exit price, okay. So call exit date time also don't need, okay. We don't need the, because we are not doing for the call, okay. Here also we don't need as well, right? We do need also call exit date time, because we are not doing anything in the call as well, okay. So here also we don't need the call exit date time, no sorry, we do need put, okay. So here we are talking about the call stop loss, call exit, and call exit price, okay. Same here, put PNL, put stop loss, put exit date time, put exit price, okay. So here we just need put stop loss, put exit date time, and put exit price, okay. So this is done. Now same way we can also do another thing, that L if um, L if what, row date time, row date time. Once I done everything, again I will explain you, don't worry about that. You might be lost somewhere, but it's okay. Row date time, again I can tell you. So it's very simple, right? Anyway, I will explain this again. So row date time now is what, my row date time is equal to exit date time, because now it reaches the exit now. Yeah, do you understand? So my in 1 minute I must So dot LOC index, right? So I can tell that so give me 1 minute. Yeah, so I can say the row date time equal to exit date time. Okay, the row date time equal to exit date time. Okay, and so now I can say that my call PNL, sorry, my put PNL, the same here I can just copy paste. Okay, I can say here my put PNL is that put entry price minus put LTP, not stop loss. Definitely it is LTP, and then I can say my put stop loss counter 1. Okay, my put exit price equal to put LTP, put exit price equal to put LTP, and my intraday is okay. Okay, so print PS, so print PE put exit at 310. Okay, so see what we are doing here is, okay, let me explain this to you from here, or else you lost. See what I'm saying is I have already written 1 2 3 4 and 5 criteria, 6 criteria. So first I am saying my call and put did not hit SL, both exit that time. Okay, second I am saying call is hit now, nor will hit till now. Third is saying ki put is now hit, nor hit till now. Fourth is saying call was hit SL, now put is either hit SL or reach exit time, which is 310. So if call was hit SL, what it means is call stop loss counter is 1. Now put stop loss counter is, sorry, why it is 1, it should be 0. Okay, 0. Then I'm saying put LTP is greater than put stop loss and row dead time is less than exit dead time. If that is the case, so this will be the output. Now I'm saying row dead time is equal to exit dead, which is 310. Now this will be the output. Okay, now similarly we can do for call as well. Whatever we did it here, call was hit, so now we can say put is also hit, so just simply copy and paste. Okay, one more thing here, when we are saying 1 here and now it is also 1 here, so obviously it is, we can say it is break. And similarly here it is also break. Okay, now we can say whatever we done here for call, we'll do it for put as well. So copy and paste it here. Okay, so simple, and we are done. You just need to change something. Okay, so now put was hit SL, so put stop loss counter 1, then call stop loss counter, okay, so put stop loss counter 1 and then call stop loss counter 0, then call LTP is greater than equal to call stop loss row date time less than exit date time, then call PNL is call entry price minus call LTP, call stop loss, and then call stop loss counter equal to 1. Then you can say call exit date time is row date time, and call exit price equal to call stop loss. Okay, now everything else is same. So here you can say call SL hit. So here you can say here call PNL is call entry price minus call LTP. Then you can say call stop loss counter 1 and call exit date time row date time, and call exit price equal to call LTP. Okay, that's it. And then you can see here call exit at 3:10. That's it, and we are done. So we are done with all the criteria. Okay, so what is the criteria here? The last one. So the last one is update PNL in normal time. So what is that? You can say elif, okay, elif what your call stop loss counter, okay, equal to 0, and put stop loss counter, okay, equal to 0. This is 1, this is 1. Call stop loss counter equal to 0 and put stop loss counter equal to 0, or call stop loss counter 1 and put stop loss counter 0, okay, or call stop loss counter 0, put stop loss counter 1, okay, or both are 1, or both call stop loss counter 1, put stop loss counter 1, okay. So these are the all thing here, okay, or you can say row date time, row date time is less than exit date time, row date time is less than exit date time, okay. If these are the things, then what call PNL, okay, this should be the case. Call PNL, we go to top, this is the call PNL, put PNL normal, okay, call PNL, put PNL, call PNL, okay, call PNL entry price minus call LTP, put PNL is equal to put entry price minus put LTP, okay. So and then you can update the intraday, okay, you can update the intraday also here, Okay, so now also here you can write your PNL is this. I think it looks pretty good. Now let's see. Okay, so let me check all the things that we have done. Okay, let me see all the things we have done before we run it. Okay, so I think we have done it pretty nicely, but let me see. So first is your call and put did not hit SL. Okay, so call and put did not hit SL. So then your call stop loss counter 0, put stop loss counter 0, row date time equal to exit date time. Okay, call PNL, put PNL, and then call stop loss counter 1, put stop loss counter 1, call exit date time, row exit date time, call exit price, put exit price, intraday date. I updated it clearly, and then we click OK. This is done. Second one is call is now hit SL, none were hit SL till now. So call LTP is greater than equal to call stop loss, and call stop loss counter 0, put stop loss counter 0, and here call PNL, put PNL updated correctly, call entry price minus call stop loss, and put entry price minus put LTP. That's correct. So call stop loss counter 1, call exit date time, row date time, and call exit price, call stop loss. This okay? This looks good. And then updated this call PNL, put PNL here, and then your call stop SL is hit. So PNL is done. Now next, put is now hit SL. So put LTP is greater than put stop loss, and call stop loss 0, put stop loss 0, call PNL, put PNL, put stop loss counter 1, put exit date time, put exit price. Okay, and these two, and put SL is hit, and this is okay. So this is also done. Now number 4. Number 4 is call SL was hit. So call stop loss counter 1, put stop loss counter 0. Here now put is hit. So put LTP is greater than put stop loss, and row date time is less than exit date time. Okay, and PNL, put PNL is put entry price minus put LTP. Oh no, say put stop loss. That's okay. Put stop loss counter 1, put exit price, put stop loss. Okay, and your put exit date time is also row date time, and then both are updating here, and put SL is hit. Okay, and this okay. This is also fine. Now if this is not happen, what if then row date time is equal to exit date time, because now it is put reach the time limit. Okay, so put PNL equal to put entry price minus put LTP. Okay, put entry price minus put LTP, and put stop loss counter 1, put exit date time, row date time, and put exit price, put LTP, and intraday is these two. Okay, so now put exit at 310. So call PNL plus put PNL. Okay, now coming to the next one, which is put SL was hit, call is either hit SL or is time limit. So put stop loss counter 1 because put SL was already hit, and call stop loss is 0 definitely. So call LTP is greater than equal to call stop loss, and row date time less than exit date time. So call PNL is call entry price minus call stop loss counter 1, call exit price, call stop loss. Okay, and call exit date time raw date time, and this is updating here. Call SL hit, and then PNL is call PNL plus put PNL, and here call exit at 310, which is raw date time equal to call exit date time. So call PNL is definitely call entry price minus call LTP, and call stop loss counter 1, call exit date time raw date time, call exit price equal to call LTP, okay, and call exit date time raw date time. That looks good. This is done, and the last one is definitely call stop loss counter 0 0 1 0 0 1 and 1 1, and raw date time exit date time. Okay, if this is the one, so let's run it. Okay, let's run from the beginning. Okay, so let's run for the beginning and see. Hopefully it looks good to me. Oh, call stop loss counter is, which cell is that? Oh, okay, 89. Ooh, I don't know why it is like that. Okay, this is so bad. 1 minute. Okay, so call stop loss control. Yep, so let me change this as well. Hopefully you wrote it correctly. So if you are following fully, you done it correctly. Raw date time, exit date time. Okay, let me run this again. Let me run this cell again. Yeah, put SL hit and call SL hit. Okay, so this is done now. Now the next is, if you want to see the intraday data, you can see the intraday data looks like how it looks like. You can see here your call PNL put PNL is keep updating. Okay, this looks also good. So before now, what we need to do, we need to append into our intraday trade log, or you can say trade log, whatever. Okay, just copy this and go down here all the way. So what you can do here, you can just type it here. Now you can say trade log, okay, is equal to trade log dot append. Okay, trade log dot append, and then column is equal to, okay, columns, I don't need this one in fact. So what I will do, I need to give this bracket instead of that one. Okay, so I need the entry date time, future date, days to expiry. Okay, call symbol, call entry price, put symbol, put entry price. All these things we need. Okay, We already know the variable, right? So we just need to change the value. Okay, so what we can do here is, instead of this comma, we can replace with this one and then comma. Okay, makes sense. So replace all. So entry date time is what? Entry date time is, of course, entry date time. I remember. If you don't remember, just simply copy it. It's okay. Entry date time. Okay, take it, put it here. Okay, a future price. Future price is what? Future price is, of course, future price. So future data entry, no. So somewhere here, entry price. So future price is future price. Okay, just copy it, then call entry price, put entry price. So future price is this. ATM is ATM, I remember. Dates to expiry I will do it later. Call symbol is call symbol. Call entry price is call. Call entry price is call entry price. So coming to call exit price. Call exit price is call exit. Why it is so? Call exit price. Okay, so set call exit date time. So call exit date time. Something wrong. Okay, call exit date time and call PNL. Call PNL is, of course, call PNL. Okay, put symbol is put symbol. So put entry price. Put entry price is put entry price. Okay, so put exit oh my god, put exit price. And this is put exit date time. So put exit date time. Okay, and this one is put PNL. And of course this one is PNL. Okay, so let's check this out once again. So entry date time is entry date time. Okay, and future price is future price. ATM is definitely ATM. Okay, dates to expire I will do. Call symbol is call symbol. Call entry price is call entry price. Call exit price, call exit price. Call exit date time, and here call PNL is call PNL. Put symbol is put symbol. Put entry price is put entry price. Okay, put exit price is put exit price. Put exit date time. Okay, and put PNL and PNL. So days to expiry. So days to expiry is basically I can tell you, if you remember my nearest expiry, right? So the nearest expiry is the weekly expiry, okay, for each day, weekly expiry date. Now if you convert this into date, okay, I think it's already there na. So yeah, nearest expiry is this. And what is my what you can say entry date time. So what is entry date time? Entry date time is this 9:20. So you can convert this to date, okay. So if you convert this to date, yes. So now if you see entry date time minus this one, okay. So this will give you this, okay. Now you got the days to expiry 2. So now you can convert these to what? You can convert these to days, okay. So there you can say dot days, okay. So 2. So this is actually my days to expiry. I think all looks pretty good to me. Let's run it. Can only append or ignore equal to true, okay. So copy this, yeah. What happened? Okay, so now if you see your trade log, if you see trade log, then you can see here 65.12, okay. Let's run it from the very beginning. Delete this one, I don't need this one. So yeah, so run it from here and we are done for one day, okay. Everything has been calculated correctly, and if you see this is your trade log, and you can see your entry date time, future price, ATM, days to expiry, call symbol, put, call entry price, call exit date time, call PNL, put symbol, put entry price, put exit date time, put PNL, and total PNL, okay. This is what we are doing. Now we are done for the particular day. On the first day, if you remember, so our path, first we break it here. So we have done whatever we have done for 1st of January 2019, okay. So now we have to run everything for the entire data frame. It means entire data, okay. So what you need to do, very simple, just merge everything into one line, okay. So just do this way, okay. So this one, this one, you put everything into one, okay. Now you see looks so good, okay. You no need to break this, remove this break now, okay. So here you can see you can write try. Okay, and you see what it looks like. Okay, so you can print here if you want, like you can print the index. You can print the index, or you can print index or whatever, right? You can also, you can see, you can print, okay, print index, okay, and so now what else? You can just have to align it properly. So here to end, okay, select all and then move with the data. Right, super. So it looks so cool to run. Okay, so you can say here try, or you can say except exception is E. You can write except except exception is E. Okay, then print E. So if there is an error, then it will print that one. That's what I'm trying to say. Print E and print row location. I need the location also, na? Which data frame you got the error, right? So print location. Remember, location is the name of the column of the data frame. So I need the which data frame also got the error. So I need print row. Okay, row location as well. That's it, I think so. So yeah, looks good. Let's see. Yep, this is good. This is also looks so good. Okay, now let this one. Just remove this. Yeah, so let's run it. Okay, let's run it. So run this one, run this one, and run this one. Yeah, now it will take some time because all the data will do the backtesting. So if you see each each index name is printing and then it is giving the output. Okay, you can also write the row date time. It will give you the date as well, which date it is, and it will give you the output. So there are, if you remember, there are 20 working days in a month. My sample data or the data frame, path data frame has 20 days of data. So it's 8 now, another 10, 9 now. So yeah, so it will take another 1 minute maybe to give you the output. Okay, so if you can see here, you can, so this is the code all about. Okay, and all right, so let's run. I think it's already 14. So every time it run, it will go and update this trade log. Okay, every time it will go, it will update the trade log. So after this, I will run the trade log. You can see date wise performance as well. Okay, so 17, another 3 is there also. I think you understood the whole concept, right? What I was doing, and I know it is little things, but I think you got the whole point. What I was trying to do, right? So first I run for the 1 day. I calculated everything. I got the my test data from 1 day data, and then I run the whole criteria condition, and once that is done, then I remove the break part, and then I run for the entire data frame or the entire data set. Okay, now it is done. So if you see your trade log, see it's now updated. Okay, for every day it has been done. Okay, from 1st of January 2019 to 28th of January 2019. Okay, all has been updated. Okay, you can see your PNL here, total PNL, everyday PNL. You can see your put PNL, you can see your call PNL, you can see your total PNL for every day. Now you can export this to CSV or something, then you can do a performance matrix on this, whether this is a deployable strategy or not, or if you want you can plot with this PNL also if you want, and you can do whatever you want to do with this result. Okay, so I'm going to share this uh, Python code in my GitHub account, as well as I'm going to share the data as well. Okay, if possible, I'm going to share with my YouTube channel, but I will split the entire video into 2 parts. Okay, part 1 and part 2, and then you guys can check from there as well. So hopefully you understand the entire process of backtesting. Okay, of a simple strategy which was like selling a call and a put ATM, okay, at the money weekly expiry bank nifty option, at 9:20 and exited 3:10 with a stop loss of each leg 20%. So this was the result for 1 month. You can see that. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this. Please revert back to me for any kind of thanks so much for guys to attend this session, and hopefully you enjoyed all this. And if you have any queries, please revert back to me or message me or drop me an email. I will get back to you whenever I have time. Thank you so much for for your patience and class. Thanks guys. Bye.